Have you built an amazing app using Glide or as a progressive web app, and now you're wondering how to get it into the hands of millions? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to publish your Glide or PWA app to both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, without any of the usual headaches. Let's make your app official. The first step is super easy. Just head over to our website, nokib03.com. Once you're there, take a moment to browse through our services. You'll find everything you need to bring your app to the next level. For this tutorial, you'll want to pick a service like PWA to Android app or PWA to iOS app, depending on your needs. Or, hey, why not both? Once you've decided, simply select the service and place your order. It's a straightforward process, designed to get you started in just a few clicks. We handle all the complex technical stuff so you don't have to. After placing your order, it's time to give us the details about your awesome app. Log into your Nokib03 account and navigate to My Account, then click on App Information. Here, you'll find a form where you can submit everything we need to know, like your app's name, description, icon, and the URL to your PWA. Just fill it out, hit Submit, and you're one step closer. Now, for the best part, you can sit back and relax. Once we have your app information, the Nokib03 team takes over completely. We handle the entire process from start to finish. This includes building the native app packages, rigorously testing them to ensure they work perfectly, digitally signing them for security, and managing the entire submission process for both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. We take care of all the tricky guidelines and technical requirements. We believe in keeping you in the loop every step of the way. You'll receive email notifications updating you on your app's status, from submission to approval. You can also log into your account at any time and check your order history for real-time progress. No more guessing games. And then comes the moment you've been waiting for. Once your app is officially live on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, we'll send you a special congratulations email. This email will contain the direct download links for both versions of your app, ready for you to share with the world. Imagine that, your app, available to millions of users on their favorite platforms. So, are you ready to publish your Glide or PWA app the easy way? Let Nokib03 help you get there. Visit nokib03.com to get started today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.